Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show to you for you guys who create maybe a screen recorder that have this portrait ratio of result from the video or the screen record, and you want to create it to be a landscape ratio of a video when you want to upload it onto your YouTube as YouTube's videos. The way to create it's so simple. I usually do that a lot of time because I often record a video by screen recorder only using my phone. And the way to do that, let's go to the tutorial. First thing, you need to open your CapCut and then import your video like this. And then the next step, you just need to click the clip, swipe left your toolbar, and you just need to duplicate it like this, just like this. The next step, click the first main clip and then make it as an overlaid clip like this. And when it's done, now swipe left your main toolbar, go to this aspect ratio and change it onto this YouTube aspect ratio video, this one. And as you can see, there will be an empty space on the left side and the right side. So we're going to make it less empty space. So by clicking each clip like this and adjust the position and increase the size from each clip, kind of like this, and put it side by side like this. And as you can see, it's already completed as a one main aspect ratio of a video like this. And if you want to create it something more, you can just click the overlaid clip and then go to the mask. For example, you want to show the toolbar only, so you can just put the mask over here and decrease it like this, just like that. And yep, that's from me. That's the way how to create this kind of style of your video in CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.